Whew, that was a lot. I'm Mel and welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to another grocery haul. Today I've got a Kroger haul. Was right under $200, about $190 and some cents. As always, got lots of stuff to stock up on lunches, pantry staples, and a little freezer stock up of some snacks for my people. They've been out of them for just a little while and thought I would treat them. I had some good coupons and some good digital Kroger deals this week. So let me show you what I got. Okay, here's the little overview, friends. It doesn't look like too awful much, but there's a lot of little bitty tiny things in here this week. Didn't have too many substitutions this week, and as far as I could tell, nothing was completely out of stock. And we'll just start down here. I always pick up some toilet paper. Today was no exception, so I got that. And a loaf of bread, and I just put it down there out of the way. I went ahead and got another thing of laundry detergent. I'm always going to need it, so when I see it on a good sale, I'll pick it up. There was like a $3.50 digital coupon from Kroger's on this, and it was on sale. And as always, anything that I got a really good deal on, I'll flip the price up here on the screen for you because I won't remember. I got a big old bag of pizza rolls for Callie. 120 rolls in this bag. But once again, Kroger's had a digital coupon, and these were on sale. It was much more cost effective to go ahead and buy the bigger package at a better price. I got a pack of baby wipes. You know, I just like to keep those on hand. And I got a couple rolls of paper towels. I still have a couple rolls left from my last Sam's haul, but I don't like to be caught without. These are our favorite, I'm going to say it right this time, taquitos. I said it. Guys, I can see that word in my head and hear it in there, but it never comes out right. But I said it. I said it. That U right there in the middle, I want to say, it messes me up. I ain't even going to say it. Anyhow, we love the Southwestern chicken ones. So went ahead and grabbed some of those. We hadn't had them in a while. Got a bag of onion rings, and these are okay, but long time ago, I showed you on my channel, Kroger had a private selection brand of these, and they were cracked black pepper and sea salt. Those things, they were as big, like you could just fit two of them on a plate. They were humongous and delicious. They don't have them anymore. Come on, Kroger's, bring those back. Grabbed a couple Totinos. Cheese was one of the digital coupon deals that was real good this week. And I do want to remind you, on Kroger's digital coupons, like the weekly ones, you can use them up to 5 times in one trip. So I got a bag of mozzarella, and these are 4-cup bags. Then I got 3 bags of mild cheddar, and I had a block of Colby Jack. They were out of stock on it and wanted to sub me 2 smaller blocks, and I just didn't go for it because I wouldn't get charged for it. I grabbed 3 bags of corn because I think I used down to maybe just 1 or 2. Grabbed some ketchup, big bottle of Sunny Delight Smooth. They used to call that Smooth California style. Now it's just called Smooth Orange. Big old thing of sour cream. I just grabbed half a gallon of milk because I think we still have quite a bit left. I got 2 cans of biscuits, a thing of cheese singles, a roll of Jimmy Dean sausage. Got some more of this. I love this salsa right here. This has become one of my most favorite new snacks right here. I got this little bitty thing of lunch meat because, man, this is good, but it is so expensive. This is the Boar's Head teriyaki chicken. This little bit right here was $4.68. That is not even half a pound. I told them about a quarter of a pound, and they did pretty good. They got 0.36, looks like. But it's like just a couple more days this week to take lunches. So I just grabbed enough of that for the rest of the week. Got my husband some goodie powders, a couple boxes of Kleenexes. I got some napkins under there. They're just cheap white napkins. Grabbed a box of macaroni and cheese. Went ahead and grabbed 2 grape jellies because I have a couple of bags of those frozen meatballs, and I may want to do that. Grape jelly and barbecue meatball deal thing. And so I grabbed those. I've got a jar of peanut butter and honey. I got 3 cans of the petite diced tomatoes. I go through those every week. Oh, I got this bottle of ranch dressing. I always get a bottle of ranch. I got 2 cans of the Kroger brand Rotel. I got 1 can of green beans. 3 little cans of tomato sauce. 1 can of corn. I got these pickles, these hot and sweet snackers. My husband absolutely loves those. These are open. I didn't get hungry for them, but I don't know. Maybe it just happened in the car, but got my husband a thing of blueberry Pop-Tarts. Got a box of tea bags, chocolate-covered granola bars, 2 cans of chili sauce for hot dogs, 2 cans of refried beans, and 1 can of black beans. I got a bag of pepperoni, 2 of these water flavoring things my daughter likes. Got Maddie some gum. I stocked up on these little seasoning envelope packs because it looked like I was getting a little low. I got 2 pork ones, 2 chicken ones. I grabbed a thick and zesty spaghetti sauce because I used one of those last week, and a taco seasoning. Now, back here in a little bit more non-food stuff, I got a shampoo and conditioner in this rose oil infusion volumizing quench lock technology formulation. We'll see what happens. It does smell good because a little bit of it kind of came out in the bag or something, but it smells real good. I got just some cheap storage bags. These are freezer bags, but I try to put my freezer stuff in a little bit higher quality bag, but these are just good for other stuff. We were out of bathroom cups, so I got a big thing of these little bitty tiny cups used when you brush your teeth. This was a sub, and I was so glad because I usually get the breadsticks and the cheese, and these are just hard to find on the Kroger app sometimes. And Maddie had been wanting the pretzels, and I couldn't find them. So they didn't have the breadsticks, but they gave me the pretzels. So got 2 of those for her. And I got some flour tortillas, and I think I showed you guys this brand a while back. They subbed it in one day, and I had never even seen it or heard of it, but it's not expensive, and it's really, really good. They're always so soft. Got a bag of Pepperidge Farm stuffing. That's what I like to put on top of my chicken casseroles, and I've used the last of mine. Okay, I needed some more tortilla strips to top salads with. Now into chips. They had the coupon where you get 4 Lay's products for $1.99. So I got 2 Doritos. They're included. And I got 1 of these, and then 1 of these was a sub. I ordered a different variety, but that's fine. That's all good. There was a $1 coupon on Cheetos, and I needed those this week. These Mission tortillas, I got rounds and strips. I think these were $1.47. So that was a great deal. This big box of 12 of the big fudge rounds, I ordered the regular one that I always get, but they subbed that. My produce this week, I still have a few of the little mini peppers that are good, but I will probably get those eaten soon. So I wanted to go ahead and grab a red bell pepper. I got a bunch of asparagus, some green onions. They subbed me this English cucumber for my regular cucumber. And I got an entire bunch of bananas. You know, sometimes when I order on pickup, I get 1 banana. But I got a good looking bunch. And I got 2 bags of shredded green leaf lettuce. Right now, the prices of heads of lettuce, you can just get your own shredded just as easy. Out in the trunk is a big 24 pack of water. I didn't bring it in because it's going to go out there in the garage anyway. And let me show you my most excitable item this week. They had a coupon. These are like Kroger brand Oreos. And they have the golden ones and the double stuffed. And maybe some mint. I have never seen these before. Coconut lime. And look, they're green on the inside of them. And I'm just going to try And I'm just going to try one for us. I can tell you right away, they smell delicious. They smell like suntan lotion. And they are yummy. I absolutely love them. Give those a try. Not real tangy lime, a very little hint of lime, but a beautiful coconut flavor. So thank you all for being here. I appreciate y'all. I love you so much. I'm going to eat the rest of this little cookie here. See that? And I'll see you on Sunday night with a super special What's for Dinner. I don't want you to miss it. I've got some new things that I want to share with you, and I can't wait to show it to you. And it'll be Mother's Day too. So until then, I send you love from my kitchen.